Next on the OneScreen Share app on your phone, we have media sharing. Press here to select a video and stream it directly on the touchscreen. You can start and pause it at any time and change the volume. Press on stop to go back to either streaming another video or even audio by pressing here. Going back, press on photo to stream an image directly on the OneScreen that you can zoom in and out on from your phone. You can also zoom in and out from the touchscreen and even minimize it to multitask or share images from multiple phones at the same time. Going back, share documents to the touchscreen by pressing here. Once they're on the touchscreen, you can also directly save them on the board for easier access in the future. File sharing has never been easier. Next, use your phone as a document or streaming camera by pressing here. Then press again here to stop or stop the stream at any time. Change the clarity anytime from here. And again, you can stream multiple phones at a single time.